Job of Journeywork.
Speaking of trad sets,
I was right!
I used to think, again, 8-year-old Tyler thought, humor's abandoned. He thought that this was Java Journeywork, like a Starbucks drink.
This is like kind of that same thing of like,
Falls into that
do
weird
well.
valley of like, I want to go faster.
Yeah.
Can have kind of a good swing to it, maybe? It definitely doesn't sound as much like the trad set, but when I look at Piper 76, Ladro 76, all of those ones, even the Hunt 76 in C tier, I would probably pick. I love Java Journeywork trad set. I feel like I keep saying that.
Yeah.
It falls into F for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd put it ahead of Orange Rogue.